Palat lai spa ngut ki dukot jang Salesian Youth Movement SYM Shinrang bat kentai kilawan shembenta haka lempung balai sngi kabala sedang haka shitarik hadu lai tarik unopra Hasin Anthony's High Secondary School lajum kra Shillong. Lapan ya yakani kalempung deki padar bakentup yu Reverend Padar Anthony Karkongor, Padar Primus Im Kongjo badu President SYM samla Vancouver Shulai. Arngut ki samla container Germany kilawan ban shembenta hakani kalempung bat kilayu I adalah ki jongki khmat ya ki jingrehem bat jing shongshit ki dukot ke SYM ban kentiu ya ka burom ka akor haka imlang salang bat ya ka jingkhut hasnong hathau.
Pada Vancouver Shulai bat pada President jongka Salesian Youth Movement jongka Shillong region.
Ada ifada Primus Im ada Peit yak social experience juga Salesian province of Shillong. Parang ada ru ban Peit yak ni ka komu youth director juga Salesian province of Shillong. Kani ke jing kendo juga ni kena kami khot ka SYM kini taga Salesian Youth Movement. Kani ke jing kendo jing kena semla kiba one na ki school Salesian jong Bosco. Pat ki parish yung Salesian of Bosco. Tingila ay jingtip ya babun ki school ki parish jungi. Tay ki balawan let's say ki don tang renew group. Tay ki dong simbenta ki don kumba pa
Nego program ni perlong nadu menin ka shitarik u December. Bat kade ka Youth Fest kumbengi khot ka Youth Fest 2023. Bat ha kade ka program ni wanra ya barok ki kena samla na keleng saudong ki badang ke samla mo dang don kata adolescent age but ni kemen bagani ke program kelong kata galat kelenti ki bekin ya kendo ikibi pat kena samla bekin juga kata kencing hikai kuno bekin long kita ki paya jong kalawe pun sin gi jong kena ki deki kita ki lawe jong kari ke jongi mo ti imcu hikai pat ki kuno bekin long kata kalawe tingila ai kata ka team ru na kata ka ni ke ji kendo jongi kata ka youth for peace nam ki kena ki long shisha kita ki nong lam benti ya Jingsuk hakari kerja benriu ti hakade program ila perlong board ki session ki bayra ki bas kutu kata ni airu ya ki jingshat ki jingwai makin dot kata ka Jingsuk tunat akan ni jing don lang ka jokim but mentan ru shpang idang idap ko ka stress management session na IWE counselor na try kini baro ki long kum shibenta ban yarap ki bagian long shisha kita ki kena samla ki bat tiplay na begini ya cerita ka lenti jangka hop ke shisha.
Di program kemudian melalui Presiden jungi Bangko ba kadisha kabaji mentoi kena jungi marba ka fokus singir kalong youth dia ada fokus dia ada yang bagi dia ki protagonis ki dia maki ki bangi ki Peit ya jing mentoi jungi program baro kalong na benta jungki kai bangi le program ki per melalui Presiden session ni per day haka ka identity ni badai ru Shapang kunoban bakli ki kam ki jam ki jimpule ki puti lajong mentaru men shwag ni session of bangile shapang ka stress ni don ru ka kenja social work mo dong ka ba lembaga ne ru ko ban ai min sim ne ban tip ban di seluruh kena semula jungiro kuno bangi dai ban ich amariang ban brome amariang da blek khoj ni khar ki le khoj ki ki surok tangi i kharlut ki plastik ki ekar bayu ngila pendep kane gade tanggadak andre ndakila lek po shaing jungkiro ki dai ban don kita ka jingpleu ka jingsutu ba hoj ki dai ban burom ich amariang ro taru gade goe ba ku Francis ro tentu yang ibaro yang ikam tami kena samla bang ide ben ijang mariang ben burom yang mariang namar bat kamariang ni dei ben im lang bandon kata Jingsuk ndai tang Jingsuk prabreu bat jing trei handrai bat ru yang bat kamariang tang ide ben burom ni ijang entah gadak ni la le ner ka social experience try kini ka social work dia
te hangi ya don di Father Primus bat kini samla na Germany ngai de Father Anthony you delegate to Shillong province to ni sha ni da pe ju su you play ai galat kelenti ba nila manum lang ban organize ka dika SYM to ka Shillong region long Gagi Bosco Tunat, but Lumlang Yaki Kna Samla Jong Salesian, the Don Bosco, Yai IT, but train and Taki Samla, Wapaki Samla, Im Yaki Im Pirago Joki, Yasmi as Dang Yakanika SYM, Youth Fest Jong, Salesian Youth Jogi, but don't have Lem Jong Shillong, and West. Hoi, tikip lai point keleng-keleng, le shimbata le yo kijing ikai halo kijing tips pang ka SYM, halo kijing tips pang ka Don Bosco, halo kijing tip kijing tre kijing ta kikam kijam jong ki SYM, but tunjuru halo kijing day baki topik ki bede baki kod samla juni akijung kita ida kijing ban ba le wan misuta ni ne scam ban ba ni kijing kendo kanang yalam kanang ay la yakiru makin la untuk kaya ila kijing im kod samla jong Don Bosco. Yang ni don we are here with these girls from Germany. They are also young people, and we are glad that they have come to participate for this program.
So, my name is Emilia. I'm from Germany, from Bavaria, and I stay in Meghalaya since October now, and I'm really there until August next year. And it's very exciting, and I'm very happy to be at the Bosco here and to be part of the SYM program here in Shillong and to meet all the people.
My name is Veronica. I'm also from Germany, Bavaria, and same with me. I also stay in I'm very glad to be here in Shillong, to be part of this program and to learn things, to experience the youth and the energy of the youth, and just walking together during this program.
So when they have introduced themselves about who they are, what is the purpose for them to come this side. They have come as volunteers of Bosco, and they are placed in Sunapahar Parish to experience missionary life. And today they are fortunate to have got a chance to participate in this SYM program. So Veronica, how do you feel about the young people that we meet here?
I'm very happy about seeing so many young people being active and caring about society and coming together, having fun, and I really enjoy the time that I live here.
So what about you? How do you find the youth here?
Also, and very active, and they talk a lot, and they seem to enjoy the program, and they seem to be happy to be here and to be volunteering in the Club Fast.
Lepi baro kakiteng jawa di Estella Venezuela bani day na film girls high school Shillong. Jingsuk tajgi hadi ka program kalau semutumat bah khamtam ek istiqlal dari Jingshngain. Jingshat jingrai ba mungkin beleran banyak le lang bani banyak wai yang kita man semutumat ini. But jingkran kiba ki ai kalau kiba dan kame nam tajgi bani numla man syam ni shate ba kibri ko jingkran kani. I just play baro ki ani ki nasional ni ki bri kala Venezuela di sini. But sa bahasa
Kakong Ayuvena H Link Score Counselor kalabatai halor ka jingma kiba mi na ka jing khuslai man siam bat jing artatin ha ka jing em jong ki samla jong ka ni ka juk.
Alright, so stress is a state of worry or mental tension caused by a difficult situation. For example, alright, when you have in your exams, you will feel anxious because you don't know what question will come. You will feel anxious. So at that moment, you will be facing stress. That is stress. Alright? So while you cannot always control your circumstances, you can control how you respond to stress in a healthy way. This means if you cannot control your problem, for example, you can't say that I don't want this to happen, I don't want this to happen, okay? The only thing is that you can just control how you respond to them in a very healthy way, right? The next is how does stress affect us, alright? you're scared, you don't know what questions will be coming, and then also you will, if you can't sleep, you will also start to have pimples, and then dark circles, and then hair loss, okay, and also weight loss. Alright, so these are how stress affects us both mentally and physically. So there are two types of stress. Okay, the first is the eustress. EUSTRESS. Okay, this eustress, it's a very acute stress. For example, like exams, going on first day. Okay, this is eustress, and the other is distress. DISTRESS. Distress is a very chronic stress. For example, you're having a family problem at home. You'll be facing this distress. Or example, loss of a job, divorce. Okay? So there are two types of stress. The first is eustress, which is an acute stress. This stress really helps you to motivate. For example, you're having exams. You study well, although you're scared, but you have to study. So this really motivates you. Okay? But this stress, it's a very chronic stress that lasts for a longer period of time. Right?
Kijing temu bakongsan juga ni kalumpung kilong ban wanra ya ka Jingsuk ban kentie ya ka imlang salang ka basngan ban penlong ki samla ki bakit kli halaki kam kijam. Da ka nuksa ki dekot ke SYM ki lapen khoj plon ya ka surok nadu police point hadu Don Bosco Square. Ban penjat hat ya kini ki samla lapen long ru ya ka Jing Yakob basketball paramaki.
No doctor. Yeah.
Jasmine. Eric, give the broom. Because you saw the camera and that's why.
Wait, keep the small scroll on here. Keep that channel. Bro, plastic. Last minute.
So the referee must be a little generous with their players. They must be playing for the first time in their life basketball, so please.
Thank you.